This year we have a number from more than 140 exhibitors from China. The interesting fact is it's more than double the number of last edition, so it's a really huge increase. I expect that we see more and more Chinese companies coming to every parts of the world in terms of logistics. As you probably know, we also run our Transport Logistic China show every 2 years in the even years. So next year again we will meet in Shanghai, and there of course the participation from China is much bigger than here, but it showcases where the industry is developing to and what the Chinese logistics service providers are capable for. So that's also another great development and strong proof of the Chinese logistics industry. So what we see is that China is very innovative, something we'll see in the future, that more and more companies work together to really serve the whole world. And there again, China of course will play a crucial role. Also in China we have a strong network of partners who support us to promote the logistics industry. Yeah.